Continuing our previous video, now how to make a directory or a folder. So first we'll see our present working directory. It is SD card. Clear the screen and type mkdir. It stands for make directory. Make directory and the file name or the folder name. mkdir the bayan and hit enter. Now if you ls and just scroll up, you will find the directory has been created. Here directory can also be considered as a folder. So mkdir and the name. Now if you just scroll up, you can see the bayan has been created. Now clear the screen, and if you just go back to our file manager, we should get the bayan folder created there. So let's just come back to file manager, refresh it, yes, and as you can see the bayan folder has been created. So this is how we make folders with the help of mkdir.